Hey everyone, today I'm putting the iPhone 17 Pro Max up against the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 in a straight head-to-head. On one side, Apple's flagship is expected to focus on raw performance, battery efficiency, and that super polished ecosystem. On the other, Samsung's Fold 8 brings the wow factor with its foldable design, multitasking, and that tablet-like experience in your pocket. In everyday use, the iPhone usually wins on consistency. Apps feel smooth, cameras are reliable, and everything just works. But the Fold 8 is the more experimental device. It's perfect if you love productivity, split-screen apps, and watching content on a bigger display. Camera-wise, Apple tends to dominate video, while Samsung pushes versatility and zoom. So which one wins? Honestly, it depends on you. If you want stability and performance, go iPhone. If you want innovation and flexibility, go Fold. Either way, both are absolute beasts in 2026.